I think that one of the biggest missed opportunities with print on demand is that people make one design, put it on one product, and then immediately decide that they need to make a completely new design for the next product. Guilty. I get it. That's how our brains work. We make the thing, and then we immediately jump into the novelty of like, okay, what's next? But a lot of the time, the better question, it's not what can I make next? It's actually what else could this already be? Because one art idea can usually become way more than just one product. And I do not mean taking the same file and throwing it onto 12 random products like confetti SKUs. Because no, I mean actually looking at the idea and asking, where does this make sense? So today I want to show you my own designs. You could do a phrase or any sort of concept, turn it into multiple print-on-demand products with Gelato. And the reason that I like thinking about this with print on demand is because you are not having to commit to inventory before the idea actually works. That's important. You can build the product, see the mock-up, order the sample, connect it to your shop directly, and then instead of thinking, oh, I need a million designs, you can actually start thinking like, how can this one idea become a strong, small collection? Let's say I have an art piece with the phrase, let the weird idea win. That could easily be a print. It has like studio wall energy. It feels like something I'd want to look at when I'm avoiding my sketchbook and I'm like, okay, reminder, I needed that so I don't procrastinate work and reorganize for hours, you know? And for a print, you're gonna want to think about composition first. Does it feel finished? Does it have enough breathing room? Is it readable? Would somebody want to look at that every day? Because a print has to hold its own on a wall. It can't just be like a random sentence floating in a rectangle. But then you can look at that piece and think, could this be a card? Maybe. But that's where I would maybe think about changing the wording because it feels more like something I would say to myself. On a greeting card, it needs to make sense in order to give it to another person. So maybe that becomes like, hey, weirdo, I knew you had it in you. And then it has like a recipient because it has a moment. And that could be like for a friend who launched something or tried something hard. That's the part that makes a card work because it feels like it belongs to two people. This is actually where Gelato's custom font feature comes in really handy because you can literally just type it in. And if you want to be extra, you can have customers customize their own text. Like, I know, another cool idea. Write it down so you don't forget. But that's really the whole process. You can make really cool artwork, but when it comes to putting it on a thing, it's really not about if you can make that thing into a product and another product and another product. You need to ask, like, what does this need in order to have purpose? That's the difference between a product that feels intentional and a product that feels like somebody got too excited inside of a mock-up generator, which, listen, we've all had our moments. I get it. I'd use the same thinking for a calendar. So if I have one art piece, it's not enough for a calendar, obviously, but if that artwork is part of a bigger theme, we've got something. Maybe the calendar has like 12 creative reminders where January could be like start somewhere and February could be let the weird idea win. March could be what's the best thing that could happen. And to work on a calendar, whatever the theme is, the design needs that cohesion, but it doesn't have to be difficult. It just needs to feel like the months belong together. And so that might come from color or illustration style or simply the background. So print, calendar, card can all feel related without being identical. You want them related, but not like copy pasted because the goal is not to have one design and then slap it everywhere. You just want to let that piece stretch into formats where it actually belongs. So here's the easiest way to do this, all right? Pick one design that you already have. Make 3 versions of it. 1 to display, 1 to send, and 1 to use. The display version might be a print. The send version might be like a greeting card or a postcard. And then the use version could be like a calendar or a photo book or a stationery product. For each one of these, ask, what does this format need? Does the wording need to change? Does the layout need to change? Does the scale need changing? Does this product actually make sense for the person buying it? Hear me when I say, this is the part I do not want you to skip. Print on demand makes it really easy to create products, but strategy is what makes those products feel worth buying. So once you have your 3 ideas, build them in Gelato, check a few mock-ups, order the samples. This is the funnest part. You'll actually see how these products translate in real life. I'm giving you a promo code for samples because when I tell you the sample step matters, oh, does it matter? A design can look perfect on screen and then show up printed and suddenly you're like, because samples are going to show you scale, contrast, color, paper feel, readability, all the things that are really hard to judge when you're staring at a mock-up with the confidence of somebody who's been indoors too long. So your challenge is simple. Don't overcomplicate it. This is not like, oh, you need to build a 40 product empire by Friday situation. Just start with one idea, see how many useful, thoughtful directions that it can go. I promise that you have more product ideas than you think, and they are probably hiding inside of artwork that you have already made. Remember that you can use my link to get a fatty discount on your sample order with Gelato. Trust me, seeing your artwork on the actual product makes the decision so much easier. And also because opening a box of your own art products is objectively very fun. I hope this is helpful.